A decrease of 3.8% in Polkadot is projected by digital coin price for tomorrow. Let's begin with what the price is currently showing us. Based on the latest data, Polkadot has gained 3.6% since yesterday and is now near $1.004. Next up, the analysts' perspectives. According to CoinLore, we could touch $1.01 by June 16, suggesting a potential 0.6% upside. Crypto Predictions believes Polkadot may drift towards $0.994. That's a decrease of about 1%. Traders Union highlights it potentially dipping to $0.987, a fall of approximately 1.7%. A different outlook from digital coin price indicates Polkadot might edge down towards $0.965, a potential loss of 3.8%. And to wrap up, Gov Capital Collector highlights a drop to $0.936 by tomorrow, 6.8% below the current level. This is the most profitable opportunity we've covered. That's all 5 perspectives. Let's go ahead. After reviewing all 5 projections, here's the numerical breakdown. Looking at the projections, the market could shift between a decrease of 6.8% and a rise of 0.6%. All in all, Gov Capital Collector delivers the highest projected return, with 6.8% gain in value by June 16. As a result, you might end up with between $6 and $68 for every $1,000 you invest. From a volatility standpoint, CoinLore's forecast is the most probable, showing a 93.2% likelihood of being correct. By putting all the forecasts side by side, I've drawn up a consensus view. Based on the consensus view, Polkadot may drift toward $0.978, reflecting a 2.6% loss. Now, let's dive into it. The consensus assessment points to the price dropping 2.6%. Put simply, your capital could climb by around 2.6% in line with that move. In terms of 1,000, the projection might equal $26 in potential gain. And in practical terms, this consensus forecast carries a likelihood of 83.5%. Let's move on and check where analysts expect the price to head in the short 3-day window. CoinLore anticipates Polkadot heading south. A move higher is suggested by Crypto Predictions. A bearish outlook is projected by Traders Union, pointing to a decline. According to similarly digital coin price, Polkadot is set to slip. A decline is additionally anticipated by Gov Capital Collector, with bearish pressure in play. Consensus estimates suggest Polkadot is likely to trade on the downside during the 3-day period. In total, 80% of analyst opinions project Polkadot heading lower. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Let's see which ones held up yesterday. As a result, yesterday's chart closed at $0.998. With this outcome, not a single analyst captured the right direction. The smallest error belongs to the forecast of Gov Capital Collector. Now let's break things down step by step. Ultimately, only one prediction ended up within yesterday's candle. In terms of ROI, Gov Capital Collector was the only one who stayed above zero, with 2.2%. Let's move to the summary view. See how all forecasts performed overall. In comparison, digital coin price was assigned a forecast probability of 55.5%, $0.076 in accuracy, and minus 1.5% ROI. Look at the numbers and decide who performed best. Let's take a quick look at how the expected profitability for tomorrow compares between Polkadot and a few others. Polkadot ranks in 5th place, while Zcash leads with a potential return of 9.6%. Here we're featuring only 5 cryptocurrencies, while extended return comparisons are already available on my website. We're done for today. Subscribe now so you spot the next possible rocket early. See you when the next numbers come in.